Unlock Legal Drafting Mastery in 2025. Unlock the secrets to achieving legal drafting mastery in 2025 and take your law practice to the next level. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends and techniques in legal innovation, contract drafting, and document drafting, providing you with the skills and knowledge to excel as a legal professional. Whether you're looking to improve your writing for lawyers, enhance your legal analysis, or develop your drafting skills, this video is packed with expert insights and practical tips to help you achieve drafting excellence. Stay ahead of the curve and discover the latest legal trends and techniques that will shape the legal industry in 2025. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Kindly share this video with your friends, family, and social groups to spread this knowledge. Unlock legal drafting mastery in 2025. Join me as I challenge myself to master legal drafting skills in just 1 year. Can I do it? Legal drafting mastery is a crucial skill for any legal professional, and yet it's often overlooked. In today's fast-paced legal landscape, having a solid grasp of legal drafting is more important than ever. As we dive into 2025, it's essential to recognize the significance of refining your legal drafting skills to stay ahead of the curve. Think about it. A well-drafted contract can make all the difference in securing a favorable outcome for your clients. The ability to craft clear, concise, and effective legal documents is an art that requires patience, persistence, and practice. It's what separates the average legal professional from the exceptional ones. So, if you want to take your legal career to the next level, mastering legal drafting should be at the top of your priority list. But what does it mean to have mastery over legal drafting exactly? It means being able to distill complex legal concepts into simple yet precise language. It means being able to anticipate potential pitfalls and mitigate risks with ease. And most importantly, it means being able to communicate effectively with your clients, colleagues, and the court. In the end, legal drafting mastery is not just about drafting contracts. It's about building a reputation as a trusted legal expert who can deliver results. So, are you ready to take the first step towards unlocking your full potential as a legal professional? Lack of clarity is a major pitfall in contract drafting. When contracts are riddled with ambiguity, they can lead to costly misinterpretations and disputes. And let's be real, who hasn't been there? Staring at a contract trying to decipher what the other party meant to say. It's frustrating, to say the least. Another common challenge legal professionals face is the pressure of time constraints. You're often working on a tight deadline, trying to deliver a top-notch contract while juggling multiple tasks. It's no wonder that typos, inconsistencies, and ambiguities can creep in, making the contract vulnerable to disputes. Then, there's the issue of poor structural organization. Contracts are often lengthy and complex, making it difficult to navigate through the document. When the structure is weak, it can lead to confusion, misinterpretation, and ultimately disputes. Furthermore, using overly complicated language can be a major obstacle in contract drafting. Legalese, as it's often called, can be daunting for non-lawyers and even for lawyers who aren't familiar with the specific terminology. It's essential to strike the right balance between using technical terms and plain language. In addition to these challenges, there's the issue of cultural and linguistic barriers. When contracts cross international borders, cultural nuances and language differences can lead to misunderstandings and miscommunications. Moreover, the lack of standardization in contract drafting can lead to inconsistencies and inefficiencies. When each contract is drafted from scratch, it can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Another challenge legal professionals face is the limited scope of review and feedback. When contracts are drafted in isolation, it can be difficult to get constructive feedback and improve the document. Furthermore, the limited availability of resources such as precedents, templates, and drafting tools can hinder the drafting process. It's like trying to build a house without the right tools. It's possible, but it's not the most efficient way to do it. In today's digital age, there's also the issue of cybersecurity and data protection. Contracts need to be designed with data security in mind, and that can be a significant challenge. Moreover, the evolving nature of laws and regulations can make contract drafting a moving target. Staying up to date with the latest developments is crucial, but it can be difficult to keep pace. Despite these challenges, Many legal professionals struggle to improve their drafting skills. They may not know where to start, or they might not have the time and resources to invest in their professional development. However, with the right approach, you can overcome these challenges and improve your legal drafting skills. It starts with understanding the key principles and techniques that underpin effective contract drafting. One of the most critical principles of legal drafting is structure. A well-structured contract is easy to navigate, and it helps to prevent ambiguity and misinterpretation. By organizing your contracts into clear sections and subsections, you can create a logical flow that makes it easy for readers to follow. Another essential principle is language. Using clear, concise language can help to eliminate ambiguity and make your contracts more effective. It's about striking the right balance between using technical terms and plain language. Precision is also critical in legal drafting. It's about being accurate and unambiguous in your language, and it's about avoiding unnecessary complexity. When you're precise, you can reduce the risk of misinterpretation and disputes. In addition to these principles, there are several techniques you can use to improve your legal drafting skills. One of the most effective techniques is to use clear and concise headings and subheadings. This helps to break up the contract into manageable sections and makes it easier for readers to navigate. Another technique is to use defined terms in a glossary. This helps to eliminate ambiguity and ensure that all parties are on the same page. Using numbered paragraphs and clauses can also help to create a clear and logical structure. This makes it easier to cross-reference and identify specific provisions. Furthermore, including clear and concise summaries and recitals can help to provide context and background information. In addition, using drafting tools and technology, such as contract management software, can help to streamline the drafting process and reduce the risk of errors. One of the most powerful techniques is to create a solid drafting protocol. This includes establishing a clear review and feedback process, as well as using checklists and quality control measures to ensure that your contracts are accurate and effective. Moreover, staying up to date with the latest developments in laws and regulations is crucial. This includes attending conferences, webinars, and workshops, as well as reading industry publications and online resources. Let me share a personal anecdote that illustrates the transformation from poor drafting to mastery. I recall working on a complex contract for a high-stakes transaction. The client was under pressure to get the deal done quickly, and I was tasked with drafting the contract from scratch. At first, I struggled to get the structure right and the language was overly complicated, but I didn't give up. I took the time to review and revise the contract, using clear and concise language and breaking it down into manageable sections. The end result was a contract that was not only accurate and effective, but also easy to understand. The client was thrilled and the deal went through smoothly. That experience taught me the importance of mastering legal drafting skills. It's not just about drafting contracts. It's about delivering results and building a reputation as a trusted legal expert. So what's the takeaway from today's video? Mastering legal drafting skills takes time, effort, and practice. It's about understanding the key principles and techniques and applying them in your daily work. As you continue on your journey to unlock legal drafting mastery, remember that it's okay to start small. Focus on one skill or technique at a time and build from there. And don't be afraid to ask for help or feedback. Join online communities, attend workshops, and connect with other legal professionals who share your passion for legal drafting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into advanced legal writing techniques. Leave a comment below sharing your own drafting experiences or tips, and let's keep the conversation going.